May buntag niyong tanan. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito na naman si Mario doing another video about my favorite subject, Bitcoin. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is what is Lightning Network sa Bitcoin. Kung hindi nyo alam, ang Bitcoin is basically composed of two items na ng narrative na pinapalabas sa Bitcoin. Basically, the first one is the store of value, which is may scarcity ang Bitcoin and maraming bumibili doon basically to store their value, to save their money from inflation. Kaysa ilalagay yung pera nila sa bangko, binibili nila ng Bitcoin para lumaki yung pera nila kaysa yung lumilit yung pera nila. And pangalawa, meron silang yung technology ng Bitcoin, which is basically the blockchain. Paulit, yung blockchain is basically a digital ledger na nire-record nila lahat ng transaction sa blockchain, and this is done by mga miners na does proof of work, that ang ginagawa nila, binavalidate nila yung transaction na talagang totoo at saka talagang walang kalokohan, and it's very clear and everybody can see it, very transparent. So ang problema lang sa Bitcoin, yung blockchain nila, kasi malaki ang Bitcoin and it takes a lot of miners to do the proof of work, and it takes a lot of energy, takes a lot of computers, yung tinatawag ng nodes na computers na to validate one transaction. So ang nangyayari, medyo mabagal at saka it takes a lot of energy, electrical energy. So because of that, medyo mahina at saka lumalabas na medyo mahal konti. Kaya dumating yung mga altcoins, yung alternative coins, kagaya ng Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, ang dami. There's so many altcoins out there. They're basically mga technological companies na they're trying to make the blockchain better, which is, ganyan naman ang capitalism di ba? Kung merong competition, they how to make a better product. So that's basically what's happening right now. That's why there's so many altcoins who is trying to improve yung blockchain technology ng Bitcoin. Kaya nga, ang lumalabas Ethereum is really powerful kasi mas mabilis, mas mura. Ngayon, they're competing against each other. Yung Solana is coming out even faster than Ethereum. Avalanche. Ako, namimili rin ako ng mga altcoins. Pero my number one is still Bitcoin kasi store of value Walang makakatalo nun in store of value because Bitcoin may scarcity nga. They only make 21 million and hanggang ganun lang. And there's already more than 19 million out in circulating. So only 1.5 million left na they have to mine out. Napakakonti na lang. So, siyempre, knowing supply and demand, kumukonti yung supply, tataas ang presyo. So, that's the reason why, yan ang narrative na lumalabas sa Bitcoin. That's why maraming bumibili ng Bitcoin because of the store of value. So ngayon, ang ginagawa ng Bitcoin, kasi talagang talo sila sa mga ibang altcoin when it comes to the technological sides, yung blockchain, they came out with this tinatawag na Lightning Network. Just like the word said, lightning, mabilis. Di ba yung lightning, matulin? So, basically, ang ginagawa nila is, kung bibili ka ng Bitcoin, kung gusto mo mag-transact in Bitcoin, magbubukas ka ng channel sa Lightning Network nila. And then from there, you can buy, pwede kang bumili ng cup of coffee or mag-grocery shopping for people who accept Lightning Network. So the other side has to have a Lightning Network. So it's gonna be Lightning Network to Lightning Network. Kung isa lang ang side may Lightning Network, kung isa wala kang mangyayari. El Salvador basically, because ginawa nila ng legal tender ang Bitcoin, ang sinabi ng El Salvador, they basically give out which is called Chivos, which is a Lightning Network. So people can go to the store and use Bitcoin to buy. So ginawa nila yan. So hopefully yung people na gumagamit nun, yung adoption, maliit pa rin kasi bago pa eh. Hindi pa masyadong sanay yung mga tao. Sanay sila sa regular pera. So eventually, the adoption will just keep growing and growing and growing na lumaki ng gusto and everybody would use it. So can you imagine kung we can use Bitcoin as a legal tender na? Actually, that's one of my major items right now is I want to make Bitcoin a legal tender sa Pilipinas. I'm doing a video. After this, I'm doing a video. Actually, ginawa ko ng video, hindi ko pa na-release. Maybe I should release it now because it's already done. So my goal is to make the Philippines legal tender besides the peso, ha? I'm not saying tanggalin yung peso. Gawin ko na besides the peso, meron tayong Bitcoin as legal tender, just like what El Salvador did. So I don't have to explain how yung mga nuts and bolts, how the Lightning Network works, pero it's basically layer 2 from the blockchain of Bitcoin. And because they can do more, marami silang mapoprocess, mas mabilis, at saka yung scalability nila, ibig sabihin marami silang matutulungan, transaction they can do. Kunwari, for example, noon, yung wala pa yung Lightning Network, Bitcoin can only do 7 transactions per seconds. 7 lang. Talo sila sa Visa. Visa can do 1,700 transactions per second. And Bitcoin can only do 7. Pero ngayon with Lightning, they can do, ilan ba yan? Let me look at my notes. Okay, here it is. They can do, let me see my notes, Okay. The Visa can do 1,700 transactions per second. And Bitcoin used to do just 7. Pero ngayon with Lightning, they can handle millions of transactions per seconds. Millions. I'm not talking thousands. I'm talking millions. So, ibig sabihin, ang scalability niya, the numbers of transactions they can do got higher. Ang low cost niya. So, it's even cheaper kasi lumalabas na a fraction of a cent na lang. Kasi ang energy cost niya, wala na. Lumiit na. So, and then the privacy is still there. Kasi confidential yung transaction mo. And it's still transparent because everybody, hindi nila sasabihin kung sino yung tao na involved, pero you can basically look at that, the transaction. So it's cheaper, it's scalable, and it's private, it's transparent. Okay, here it is. And not only that, they can do a cross-border remittance payment, which is important sa mga Pilipino. And that's basically what happened with El Salvador when they started Chivo. They have 4 million users now, which is very small compared to the population of Bitcoin. Pero can you imagine that if we have that, the Lightning Network, everybody would send money, lahat ng OFW makakatulong. So, malaking tulong talaga ang Lightning Network. I'm not gonna explain paano nila ginawa yung technology kasi ako mismo hindi naman ako very technically. Ang sinasabi ko lang sa iyo, ganyan ang ginawa ng Bitcoin. because they have to do it kasi marami mga ibang altcoin dyan na who actually thrive on beating Bitcoin on the technical front, which is the blockchain. Ethereum and all those other altcoin came up with, a better mousetrap, sasabihin ko sa kanyo. So, ibig sabihin, they invented something better than Bitcoin in terms of the blockchain. That doesn't mean that they're better than Bitcoin kasi Bitcoin is a store of value, which they're not. So talo pa rin sila sa Bitcoin because of the store of value. But in terms of the technical part, the blockchain, they're coming out with better blockchain. But Lightning Network, that's what Bitcoin came up with, is better than any of them. So, Bitcoin's still the number one. And that's our lesson for today. Hopefully, kung maririnig nyo yan, Lightning Network, naintindihan na nyo anong ibig sabihin nun. Maraming salamat and have a good day. Thank you very much.